Welcome to my channel, the Turning Point Rock English channel. In today's video, you will learn encouraging phrases for your kids. This video is for parents. Enhance English speaking skills. Watch this complete video and learn with practice. I can see you are really trying. You almost got it. I appreciate your effort, work. How do you feel about that? I am glad, happy, you enjoy learning. I knew you could do it. You have a great memory. Keep on trying. Keep on trying. I trust you. I trust you. Your ideas are great. Don't compare yourself to anyone. Your ideas are great. Don't compare yourself to anyone. Don't afraid of mistakes. It's okay if you make mistakes. Try once more. I am excited to spend time with you. You are really interesting. You can make a difference. You can make a difference. Don't have to be perfect to be amazing. We all make mistakes. We all make mistakes. Don't give up. Don't give up. That's a great question. That's a great question. You give new ideas to me. You gave new ideas to me. I like the way you handled that. I like the way you handled that. I trust you. I trust you. You are so kind. You have a great attitude. You have a great attitude. You make my day. You make my day. I can understand you. I can understand you. You can say anything to me. You have a choice to select. You have a choice to select. I am listening you. I am listening you. It's good to be curious. It's good to be curious. You are loved. I admire you. I admire you. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.